If you have any desire to save some money, go with the DIY. You can do it yourself in about 10 minutes per month through our process.
Yeah, if we can hear about it.
Yeah, if we can hear about it. I mean, me personally, from a time standpoint, I get very easily sidetracked with everything else I have going on in life. I will more than likely be paying you guys to do it for me because I just don't have time to focus on it myself. I'll just be completely honest. She may find it easier to do it herself, but if not, then I'm personally on board with you guys taking care of both of ours for us.
I'm sending you guys something right now. Just scroll down. There's going to be a short video right there, and it'll explain to you a little bit more about what this software is about.
So let me ask you this.
Sure.
Is this software, we don't have to send anything out. That software will automatically send those letters out for us.
Hey, how about you go ahead and click on that button right there, sir? I want you to scroll down and watch that video real fast.
Okay.
I can't speak for, but I think, I'm pretty sold on it. That just answered all my questions.
Why now after you've completed your first round? What are your thoughts, sir?
It's about as self-explanatory as easy as you made it sound. So, and I will say, it's nice to find somebody or find a business in general that could fully take advantage of making $200 a month off of somebody to do their stuff for them, but yet still put it out there that they can save money and do it themselves and talk them through that process and save them money in the long run while also obviously doing what you can do on your end. But, it's always nice to feel like I'm being helped or know that I'm being helped without being sharp like some companies tend to do. So we do appreciate it a lot.
Hey, man.